Welcome to the Spacelab Tools informational video. In this video, we will be looking at the slim solid aluminum breadboards. Optical breadboards provide the foundation to mount optical components in the lab for various research purposes. Our slim solid aluminum breadboards provide a low profile when working with strict space or weight restrictions. They are offered in many of the same sizes as our standard solid aluminum breadboards, but these are 50% thinner at 1/4 of an inch for imperial breadboards and 7mm for metric breadboards. These are great for photonics, robotics, and many other applications. Let's take a look at just some of the sizes Spacelab Tools offers. Each imperial breadboard comes with 1/4-20 tapped holes on 1-inch centers with counterbore mounting holes. Likewise, metric breadboards have M6 tapped holes on 25mm centers with the same size counterbore mounting holes for rigid and single post mounting. All breadboards have rounded corners for a safe laboratory environment and are proudly made in the USA. For a small surface area, try our SAB0406-S solid aluminum breadboard. It is designed with a 1/2-inch border, allowing 1-inch spacing to be maintained when joining two breadboards together. It also weighs less than 1 pound, which is ideal for applications where optical breadboard weight is critical. The product name for this metric equivalent is the SAB10X15-S-M. On screen now is the SAB0606-S solid aluminum breadboard. Like the SAB0406-S, it is designed with a 1/2-inch border, allowing 1-inch spacing to be maintained when joining two breadboards together. It also weighs less than 1 pound, which is ideal for applications where optical breadboard weight is critical. The product name for this metric equivalent is the SAB15X15-S-M. If you wish that your breadboard would have additional threaded holes across the surface, look no further than the SAB1212-S-D. This 12-inch by 12-inch slim double-density optical breadboard has the standard 1-inch or 25mm spacing hole pattern twice across the surface. First with the standard 1/2-inch or 12.5mm border, then again with a 1-inch or 25mm border, effectively doubling the number of holes available on the optical breadboard. The product name for this metric equivalent is the SAB30X30-S-D-M. Finally, we have our SAB1824-S solid aluminum breadboard. This measures 18 by 24 inches and has 1/4-20 tapped holes on 1-inch centers. Since this is one of Spacelab Tools' largest slim breadboards, we've included 9 counterbore mounting holes for center mounting and greater stability. The product name for this metric equivalent is the SAB45X60-S-M. Here's an example of how a slim breadboard can be used. In this scenario, we have an SAB1218 breadboard as our work surface, with a 1-inch diameter PTX060 post mounted on a BAS020 pedestal, all of which is clamped down with a CLF075 clamping fork. Now, let's install our SAB0606-S slim breadboard at the top using the central counterbore hole. Since this is an imperial post, we must use a 1/4-20 cap screw. Place the slim breadboard on top with the counterbore hole faced upwards. Using a low-profile 1/4-20 cap screw and a 1/8-inch hex key, we can secure the slim breadboard to the top of the post. Now our slim breadboard is ready for use. Thanks for watching the Spacelab Tools informational video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more informational videos like this, consider subscribing. For more information about these slim breadboards and other Spacelab Tool products, visit www.spacelabtools.com. Link is in the description below.